first time, yung mga officials ng Ormoc, yung congresswoman natin, yung mayor, vice mayor, saka lahat ng mga konsehal, kasama na executive committee ng fiesta natin, sasayaw ito on stage.
Dos caliente, dos caliente, dos caliente. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mueve, mueve el cadera. Mueve, mueve el cadera. Move your hips, move your hips. Move your hips, move your hips.
I'd like to invite you guys to join us to watch the Premia Festival this Sunday.
Mga kaigsuunan, I'm inviting everybody to come to Ormoc and enjoy the fiesta festivities that's happening right now in the city. Mag-enjoy kayo, napakasaya dito, maraming tao, and I'm going to wait for you. See you soon!